Alright, now we're on to work together 4.3. We are going to be posting column totals to a general ledger. So we're still using Leonard Wachowski and his business that uses the various accounts given in our transactions here. We need to post the journal's special amount column totals to complete 4.3. Now, as you can see, all the stuff we did in 4.2 is on here. Our post reference numbers all belong right here. Now we need to go through. We have 3 special amount column totals that we need to post to their ledgers. So we didn't post these individually because it's not the general columns we're doing. We're posting the special amount column totals. So first thing I'm going to open my sales ledger. In my sales ledger, I'm still going to be using the March dates. I'll be using the 31st though, because that's when the last transaction took place. That's the end of the month. Now, sales is always a credit. So I know that I'm going to be posting this under credit. So I have 838 credit. Same thing as before, we need to bring that balance over for 838. Now I did not put my page number 1 yet. As you can see, I made this a little bit bigger so you can see we're on journal, page 1. I'm going to put number 1 in the post reference box on my general ledger for sales. Now to complete this transaction, we need to go in here and post a account number. As we can see here, it's 410. I'm going to go here, I'm going to put parentheses because that means that we post the total, not the individual accounts. 410 goes there. So you have now posted the sales total amount for the general journal. Now we have 2 we need to do for cash. So we're going to open up our cash general ledger. We have same thing, the date of the 31st. Post reference is page number 1. Debits are going to come before credits, so we're going to read left to right. So right now, 5775 is going to be debited. 5775. Still nothing else happened yet, so we need to bring that debit over. These both will have their own line items, so keep that in mind. Don't do the math first and move them. Do one at a time. Account number right here needs to be 110 for 110 for cash. Then again, we need to put the date in again because we know we got this from the 31st from journal page number 1. This time we have a credit of 2085. So now I have a debit and a credit, so I need to do the math. 5775 subtract 2085 gives me a balance of 3690. Now the reason it belongs in the debit is, as you can see, the debit number is larger than the credit number. You always do the math and it belongs in the larger number box. Alright, and last transaction to complete 4.3, so we need to put 110 up here, saying that we posted that to the cash credit column. Alright, so as you can see in 4.3, we just did the special amount column totals. And in this case, there's only 2 of them, our sales and our cash. So we posted 3 individual numbers. We did also ref them by using our 410 and 110. So you've completed 4.3 work together. Now go ahead and try the 4.3 on your own and posting those 3 special amount column totals. Good luck.